Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make a mouth. So you need to find the middle under the trunk of elephant and mark 5 stitches in 2 rows under the trunk of elephant. So the mouth of elephant has 2 layers, 2 parts. The lower part of mouth is blue. In my case, it's blue. So insert your hook under the first single crochet in the head of elephant. Pull the yarn through and chain 1. Then make 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches, and the chain you have to count as single crochet. So in the first row you will get 5 single crochets in total. So this is first single crochet, and you can see I'm hiding the tail, starting tail behind my work. It's better for me. So it's up to you if you will seam it inside the head of elephant or if you will follow me. This is second single crochet. This is third single crochet and last single crochet in this row. So you have 5 single crochets in this first row. Now you have to turn your elephant and turn your work. Okay, now we are going to make single crochets again, but in the second row you will make 4 single crochets, because without chain on the beginning, start in the second stitch. So you will make first single crochet in this row, not in this first stitch, but in this second stitch. So in the second stitch, make first single crochet. Then make 3 more single crochets. So this is 2. This is 3. And last single crochet goes into the chain from previous row. So you can see the chain, and there you have to make last single crochet, 4th single crochet in this row. Then turn your elephant again and turn your work. In the third row, start in the second stitch again and make slip stitch, not single crochet but slip stitch. And then I will tell you what next. So slip stitch in the second stitch. In next stitch, make 1 single crochet, and in the last stitch make slip stitch again. So in this last stitch, make slip stitch, and that's all. We have first layer of mouth. And I will keep this tail longer because I will use it for sewing both layers of mouth. So it's up to you if you want to follow me, or I think it's unnecessary to cut it and start with new end of yarn again. Just get the tail into the right corner of mouth. Okay, and then do it again also with the pink color of the chenille yarn. Okay, when you have 2 layers of mouth, now you have to hide all tails inside the head of elephant. Now let's join both layers of mouth together. So use the tail if you kept it. If you didn't, use new end of the blue color and start in the right corner of mouth. Pull the yarn through, and without chain, now insert your hook into the stitch in the blue mouth and into the first stitch in the pink layer of mouth. Then pull the yarn through and make a single crochet. So you will make 1 single crochet in each stitch of both layers of mouth and to the end, to the left corner of mouth. You may have trouble sticking the hook in the stitch, so use smaller crochet hook and finish it with the previous size of crochet hook. Okay, I am at the left corner of mouth. Then you can pull it and just hide the tail inside the head, and that's all. So I think my elephant is now happier, looks happier with the smile, with the mouth.